It's properties like this that make me love country real estate. Half-acre lot carved out of the corner of a farmer's field, surrounded by mature trees, with a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, red brick home that's cute as a button, a detached 1-car garage or workshop with multiple entertainment areas, taking advantage of all these spectacular views, including back deck, circular, interlocking patio, and my favorite, the front deck. Enjoy spectacular sunsets all summer long. 5099 First Line, Erin. You can have all this for under $900,000. As soon as you drive by this house, you can't help but notice how cute this is. I love the red brick. I love the cherry red door. Now from the outside, this looks small, but would you believe it? It's 1,987 square feet. 4 bedrooms, 2 washrooms, so this can fit any size family, including yours. As soon as you step inside, you guys are gonna realize how cozy this home truly is. Original floors, doors, and trim that haven't even been painted yet. You'll notice how warm and cozy this is, and why wouldn't it be? We've got geothermal heating, so it is extremely inexpensive to run this household. But my favorite part is this layout. You have your front entranceway, and you see all that wood banister going right up to the 2nd level. You turn to the right and you have this open living room, bay window for the front, but you can look right out the back with an open doorway right to your dining room and those beautiful sliders out to the back deck. We have multiple ways to get into the kitchen, including right here from your living room. Now I love this aspect of it because you're coming right in to your breakfast bar. Once again, that big, beautiful bay window, so there's tons of natural light streaming right in and right through to your kitchen. And once you get into this kitchen, you're gonna see how bright it really is. Half wall opens up the kitchen and breakfast bar, double windows out the side, corner sink, and these beautiful shaker wood cabinets. We have nice light tones throughout this whole house, and right back behind me is a beautiful little mudroom. Now this is the perfect place to hang up your coat, kick off your boots before you come in to the main house. Now, the back end of the kitchen flows beautifully right into the dining space. Now this is one of the largest main floor rooms, and rightly so. You need to enjoy company, entertain, and spend time with family right here. Remember Sunday dinners? It's gonna start all over again. I love some of these features in terms of these sliders going right out to the backyard and views of the farmer's field. And these built-in shelves are a great mixture between old and new. I love how the sellers have kept that throughout the years as it was originally built, while updating all the important stuff, the roof, the electrical, the heating systems. And then we go to the main floor bathroom and bedrooms. And one of the key features of this is you have a separate solid wood door, open and close for ultimate privacy. To the right, you have your full main floor bathroom, and then of course down this hall, double closets for storage and 2 bedrooms. If it were me, I'd have the front as my personal office. So the first thing that you're gonna notice as soon as you step in the rooms is they're all freshly painted, so they're all nice and bright. We have double hung vinyl windows, and we've got 2 windows for each bedroom, once again, so you can take advantage of these spectacular views. And then we head upstairs. You'll notice this beautiful banister and the detail on the side, And of course, it's unpainted. I can just imagine the kids swinging around here as they run up the stairs. And once you get upstairs, you'll notice how much space you actually have. And when you head upstairs, you'll see the beautiful detail with these slanted roof lines, but you'll also see tons of space. Widened hallways. This is the perfect place for your little easel, art studio, or home office. We have a full storage locker and a beautiful little landing at the top of the stairs. Then on either sides of the house, we have two oversized bedrooms. Now, if it were me, I would take the room at the end of the hall. It's just that much bigger, and we have beautiful views out that window. But I want you to be the judge. The other thing we have up here is a washroom, so we don't need to travel all the way downstairs when we have to go tinkle in the middle of the night. So like I said before, this house is 1,967 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and plenty of space. You'll love the traditional layout that this house offers, but more importantly, you're gonna love this lot. I know what you're thinking. For the price, for the square footage, for the area, and this beautiful lot, how could it be true? And it is. And just think, we have an unfinished basement, so think of how much added space you and the family could actually have. This is a property that's been owned by my sellers for 32 years. And if you miss it, you're gonna have to wait another 32 years because the next buyers will not wanna let this go, I can guarantee it. Guys, if you have any questions, give me a call, give me a text today. I can't wait to show it to you.